Create a scale drawing of the original drawing given below using a horizontal scale factor of 80 and a vertical scale factor of 175. So for the horizontal, we have two different distances in the horizontal direction. This distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so that is a horizontal length. The original is 10. We are scaling it by 80. So the new length, if we cross multiply and divide, will be 8. If we take this horizontal distance all the way across, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 holes, and then there's a half and a half, which makes 15 holes. We are scaling that by 80. If we cross, multiply, and divide, we should get a horizontal distance of 12. Then in the vertical side, we have a vertical distance here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the original, which is getting scaled by 175%. And then we also have a vertical distance, which just goes to that midline of 1, 2, 3, 4. Louis, I need you to wait, sir. I'm in the middle of making a video. That top one comes out to a height of 14, and the second one should come out to 7 because that's the midway point. Now we are going to put these on a piece of graph paper. So we are going to travel 8 across. And then we will have a height of 14. 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then so halfway down at the 7 mark, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be our point that goes across. And we need to go out so that our whole distance is 12. Right now we have a distance of 8, so that would make 9, 10. And then if we go out on the other side, 11, 12, and we're going to connect them. Shh. Come here and I will pet you. Don't just bark from the other corner. So this would be 8. This distance is 7. The whole distance is 14. And all the way across should be 12. Based on our scaled dimensions here.